Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to get these spring twists done. I'm pre-twisting these for a crochet, and the hair I'm using today is the model Nubi Kinky twist braid hair. Even though it says Kinky twist braid hair, as you can see, it is actually spring twist hair. Well, so these manufacturers, I don't know what they're thinking sometimes, but this is spring twist hair which I'll be using. This is one pack, this is one pack, this is one pack, this is 3 bags, and right here I have an old bag twisted. This is one old bag. Each bag of hair like this came with, you get there, each bag like this came with 25 pieces of hair, and for this one, which I did not cut, I took each piece, I split it in half, and I made 2 twists. So right here I'm holding 100, no, it's 50 pieces, sorry, that's bad mathematics. 25 pieces in the pack, I split each in half, and I got 50 pieces of twist. See, it's so spring, and it's actually very good hair. Model. And for the other one, which I cut in half, this one right here is half a pack. This is half a pack of hair. Half a pack I cut in half. Half a pack cut in half and separated in 2. So for each piece of hair, I got four small twists. So I'll just go back inside now and show you how to do this properly. Keep watching. I'll be showing first how to do the short one, how I got the short ones done. So just keep watching. Start by taking one piece. See, this is one piece of hair right here, straight from the pack. One out of the 25 pieces that came from the pack of hair, I cut it in half. So that becomes 2. 1, 2. Then I take each half and separate each half in half again. Actually fluff out, then separate. See, 1, 2. 1, 2. Where's the other half? Here it is. Fluff it out again and separate. So now that gives us 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, that's if you're cutting the hair though. For a short length, this is a whole piece. A whole piece here is giving us 4 twists. So let's start twisting. See, if you're gonna braid this directly on the head, all you just have to do is like braid from the root, because with this hair it's hard to twist from the root. So you braid from the root, you braid a few inches till it's pretty much secure, then you pick those 3 strands and make them into 2, and then just start twisting. But since I'm pre-twisting this hair for a crochet, I will not be braiding, I'll just twist straight up. So here, and the thing with this twist is you don't have to twist. Like, this is the easiest kind of twist in the world, because this requires no twisting know-how, if I could say that, because you don't have to twist. You're not twisting the same way you would twist those other types of twists. You're just going to be flipping one over the other, one side over the other, and you see, it's 1. I'm not twisting this, I'm just moving the hair around. It's like I'm wrapping it around itself carefully and neatly though. That's important. See, 2. And that I'm going to do all the way to the end. And because these are spring twists, we are not using palm rods, we're not doing any hot water stuff. No, the air already, we're just going to use we're just going to use the air as it is, and nothing else to it. Just finish twisting, snip off the ends, and you're good to go. Hold on. Twist. If there are any pieces that look out of place, you snip them off. See, I get to the end, the remaining 2 pieces, I rub them together with my finger, and there you go. Snip away anything I don't like, snip off, and see, easy. It's as easy as pie, if I could say. Let me do another one. Or rather, I'm going to do all 4 small pieces, then I'll do some long pieces. the sake of the video, because we don't want this video being too long, I won't I won't show me doing all of it already. I'm going to be doing 3 bags. I've done 1 bag and half already, so when I finish 3 bags, that's about it. I'll be crocheting the hair in the evening. Maybe I don't know if it's bright enough, because this new house of mine, the lighting sucks. I thought the lighting in my former house was bad. The lighting here really sucks, so I'm just getting me some new lights. If it's still bright enough, I will not record me installing the air, but I think I'll record the outcome so you see what it looks like on my client's head. This is 2. Like I mentioned, snip the end. It's 2. Let me do the 2 on this side. 2. Sharing Friends. I like watching Friends. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you. Okay. Snip the end 3, and where's that last one? Snip this again just to make it tidy. And it's actually a good thing that the model brand has the spring twist hair, even though they didn't name it spring twist, because most often than not, people, when they're looking for spring twist hair, you cannot find it in the beauty supplies. The ones I know that I'm really familiar with is the one from the Core Refinery, that's online. The Eon brand is online. The Cardi Natural brand is online. The Nafi Collection brand is all online. So it's just, my last client that had spring twist, she wanted the bump twist hair, but she couldn't find it. But she found the Cardi hair on Amazon. Yeah, she found the Cardi hair on Amazon. That was why she bought that. But when this client was, I was like, oh, okay, there's this beauty supply near my house. I remember going there and I found this one. I used this hair once, but what happened was I didn't use it for a full head of hair. It was for touch up. We're doing a touch up. I was doing it to touch up for someone. Then she ran out of hair. But what happened was, it was actually not spring twist hair. She had Nubian twist. We did Nubian twist. So she was getting a touch up done. So when we went back to the beauty supply, we found the hair she wanted, but we didn't get the color. But we found this Nubi Kinky twist hair and the color she wanted. So stop talking any. This is all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 short ones done. Remember, one piece of hair, cut in half, split in half. I want to sneeze. Excuse me. 1 piece of hair, cut in half and split in half equals to 4. Now for the long one. See, shirt. That's it. This is how I got this one here done. Now for the long one, let's quickly do this. For the long one, all I do, like, this is one sample of a long one right here. Oh, let me flip this around. This is one piece of the long one here, and how I got this done is this. I fluff the hair out. I'm not cutting this one, remember. Fluff it out and split it in 2. There you go. 1 and 2. Remember, 1 piece of hair in 2. And we start twisting. Same process. Twisting in quotes actually, because it's not twisting technically, but that's what we call it, twisting. And if you'd love, you can call this bump twist too. Like I mentioned before, I don't know of any difference between the bump twist and the spring twist. The hair is the same, you twist the same. But I think I wrote in one comment to someone that maybe, just maybe, when you use very small, like smaller pieces of the hair, of the spring twist hair, they look a tad messier. So then maybe that's why they call those ones bomb twist. And when they are chunkier, they are spring twist. I stand corrected on that too. Don't come for me. And this one, you twist, 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 twist. Don't you fall. This stand is just not sturdy at all. Sorry, you're not seeing the end, but it's just the same process. Twist to the end, twist to the end, and wrap with your fingers. Oh shit, this thing is long already. There you have it. Because this video is long enough already, I think I'm just gonna stop right here. See, that's how I did the long one. Where are the long ones? Any? Really any? I don't know where I dropped the twist. Wow. Like seriously, it's okay, you've seen the twist before, so thanks for watching the video. I found it. It was on the floor. You already see. Now this here is how I did this. And let me put the short one beside it. Here it is. The short one, the long one. So again, thanks for watching.